Hi, this is Wesley Dodson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and we got a great one for you today. We got a 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, and we're going to take a look at it here. This car is numbers matching, factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any car that we have for sale. And if you have questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. But we're going to take a look at this 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This car's finished in beautiful red with black interior. One of the best paint jobs I've seen in a long time on a car. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. It is super clean. Paint job is excellent on the car. Love the color choice. It's a beautiful reddish maroon and really looks great. All the chrome looks great on the car. I'm going to show you the passenger side of the interior. We got bucket seats with the automatic console horseshoe shifter. Just one of a kind Monte Carlo right here. Show you the dash. All the wood grain looks good. Console looks great. All the right seat belts for the shoulder harnesses too. Just a really super clean car. Put the seat down. I'll show you this back seat here. Oh, looks good. I love the floor mats. Really complement the car. Nice. Really look good. Retractable seat belts. I'm gonna grab the key and I'll show you what it looks like inside the trunk. Door shut, easy as pie. Just a super clean, super nice. Let me open the trunk here for you. Let's see. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully. Really looks good. All inside the trunk. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment underneath the mat. All looks good. Nice and clean underneath the mat. Really looks good. Got a great finish. Just a super clean, super nice Monte Carlo right here. I'm gonna shut the trunk. He's gonna start it up for me. We did get some new license plates. And it sounds good. Cut it off here. Door buzzer works. Show you the dash. All the gauges, radio. Super nice. Remote mirror on the driver's side there. I'm gonna shut the door here. I'm going to show you what it looks like underneath the hood. Really sweet underneath the hood. Really looks good. Like I said, it's got a numbers matching 350, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning on the car. Does work. Just really nice, clean underneath the hood. It's beautiful. All right, I'm going to shut the hood here. Hood shuts easy. Show it to you one more time. This is the 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this baby for a test drive and see how it does. We're going to take this 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Super nice for pictures and just getting these cars filmed. Nice day. We're going to take this Monte Carlo for a test drive and see how it does. Got a little bit of traffic here. Do this last little GMC. We're going to be ready to go. Here we go.
Coming in hot here.
Yeah, boy. Flying.
2 wheels.
Here we go. Oh, well, maybe not. Yep, here we go. Get on it just a little bit. Car runs and drives great, does not rattle or shake, shifts through all the gears the right way, doesn't pull to the left or the right when you're driving, just does really, really good. Great driving car. All right, as we go around here like we do every time, I'm gonna have him get on it just a little bit. See what this Monte Carlo is made of. All right, here we go. Car shifts through all the gears the right way. Just a really great driving car. Good power, but just something you can get in and just cruise. All right, like we do every time, I'm gonna show you what it looks like underneath. Like I said, if you have questions on this car, give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. All right, here's the underneath.